Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the best drones of 2026 for aerial photography, beginners, or professional use, this video's for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026, featuring 4K cameras, GPS tracking, long flight time, and smart flight modes. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GPS drone with 4K camera and LCD screen controller. Best for beginners who want a built-in screen controller. This drone features a 4K camera and a 4.5-inch LCD display built directly into the remote controller. With a control range of up to 3,280 feet and GPS-assisted flight modes, it's designed for smooth and stress-free flying. The built-in screen eliminates the need for a smartphone, making setup fast and easy. GPS positioning keeps the drone stable, while features like Follow Me and Auto Return make it ideal for beginners. Pros: built-in LCD screen controller, GPS Auto Return and Follow Me mode, easy one-key takeoff and landing. Cons: camera quality is not cinematic, build quality feels lightweight. A solid choice for beginners and kids who want a simple GPS drone with an all-in-one controller. Number 2. 4K Foldable Dual Camera Drone, 60-minute flight time. Best budget drone with long flight time. This foldable drone comes with dual cameras, smart flying modes, and up to 60 minutes of total flight time, making it an excellent choice for beginners and casual users. The drone is lightweight and easy to control. Features like headless mode, trajectory flight, and gesture photos make flying fun and accessible for first-time users. Pros: long flight time for the price. Foldable and portable design, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: no GPS positioning, basic image stabilization. A great budget-friendly drone for kids and beginners who want extended flight time and easy controls. Number 3. F180 GPS drone with 4K camera, under 249 grams. Best lightweight GPS drone. The F180 drone weighs under 249 grams and includes a 4K camera, GPS auto return, and a 4.5-inch LCD controller. Its lightweight design may avoid registration requirements in many regions. This drone offers stable flight performance and smooth FPV transmission. GPS features provide added safety, making it suitable for beginners and casual aerial photography. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, GPS auto return and Follow Me mode, low latency FPV feed. Cons: limited obstacle avoidance, average battery life. Ideal for travelers and users who want a compact GPS drone with reliable performance. Number 4. 5G FPV drone with 4K, 8K camera and 3-axis gimbal. Best for professional aerial videography. This drone is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, 4K and 8K video recording, GPS navigation, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It also offers up to 5 kilometers of transmission range. The stabilized camera delivers smooth, cinematic footage. Advanced safety features make it suitable for experienced users who want professional-level results. Pros: excellent video stabilization, long transmission range, advanced obstacle avoidance. Cons: not suitable for complete beginners. A powerful drone for content creators and professionals who need high-quality aerial footage. Number 5. Bingchat Upgraded Professional 4K Drone. Best overall premium drone. This professional-grade drone includes a 3-axis gimbal, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, payload release, and an impressive 84 minutes of flight time using 2 batteries. With its long range, strong wind resistance, and advanced flight controls, this drone is designed for demanding aerial tasks and extended flights. Pros: extremely long flight time, strong wind and weather resistance, professional-level features. Cons: heavy and expensive, too advanced for casual users. The best choice for professionals who want maximum range, flight time, and advanced aerial capabilities. Thanks for watching. Check the description for product links and updated prices. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite drone. See you in the next one.